everybody, so there is a hair trend going around. You might have seen a few celebrities do it, and it is the hair trend where you put clips in your hair. I just love it so much. I'm all here for it. I think it's so cute. Love the 90s vibes. I used to love putting clips in my hair when I was a little girl, and now I'm glad I get to do it as an adult as well. It's, you know, socially acceptable. So firstly, in this video I'm going to show you just a few clips that I got and where you can get them from too. And then after that I'll use them to give you some ideas on ways you can wear them. So yeah, let's go. So the first ones I want to show you are these. They're just these snap clips and they're in like these really pretty colors. This one is from the brand Ice Cream 12 and I got it off Yesstyle. It took a bit longer than I expected to get to me. I think it took about like almost a month. But it was worth it for me. The second one are these colored bobby pins, also from Yesstyle. They have a pretty good variety. And I love how they come in just like these different shades. Same with the other one. They come in different shades of like pink, different shades of yellow, so it's really good for mixing and matching. So quality wise, it is still new, so I still need to wear it for a bit longer to find out more about it. You know, things like whether the paint will chip off and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll let you guys know. And the last one is just these like middle snap clips. These ones are just from Daiso, so they were actually very cheap, standard quality. Yeah, I'd love to get bobby pins that look like this as well, but I'm still trying to look for the right one. It's easy, easy, baby. Haha, it's easy. It's easy, easy, baby.